Hi, welcome to India Food Network. I'm Kamini Patel and I'm your chef for the day. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for your notifications for my new videos. Today's recipe is how to use leftover palak soup into your pasta sauce. So turn on the heat first and take a teaspoon or two of olive oil and about 2 teaspoons of garlic and an onion. Give it a stir. So now your onions are translucent enough, your garlic is fragrant, so you can add your mushrooms. So to cook mushrooms well, turn the heat on high so that whatever water comes out of the mushrooms gets burned off quickly without interfering with the other ingredients. And you can add the chili flakes, and at this point you can add in the salt as well, a teaspoon. So now that your mushrooms are ready, you add in your tomatoes and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now your tomatoes are well cooked and you can add in your spinach soup now. Add in a teaspoon of pepper, olives, and fresh basil, or you can even add dried. Now let this cook but for 5 more minutes before you add the pasta. And now your sauce is almost ready. You just add your pasta, your cooked pasta, which is about 1 cup. And if you have some of your pasta water left, do add a few spoons of that in, because that's basically starch water and it helps thicken the sauce. Once you've coated each pasta with the sauce, turn off the heat. And now you add Greek yogurt. So just a few spoons. And it turns into a lovely light green. And you can even trick your kids into thinking it's a pesto sauce, but it's really spinach. And you're all done. You can scoop your pasta into your serving bowl. Then you sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Your leftover spinach soup pasta sauce. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try this at home and share your feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to India Food Network and click on the bell icon for your notifications.